We take on projects and accomplish designs that other folks don't even want to try to do. Never mind can do, they don't even want to try to do them. It's a challenge because it's necessary. It's necessary to save lives. The main focus of IRFPA is to develop cooled infrared modules and cameras. And the core pieces include a high vacuum Dewar system, the very low noise electronics to drive the detector and produce imagery, packaging in such a way to survive all sorts of demanding environmental situations. And we're also really good systems engineers. We understand how these cameras are used in the field, especially over long ranges, especially in defense environments.
I've actually sat next to the warfighter on an aircraft. I see what they go through. That's what excites us as a business, taking on the work that others don't want to do because it's too hard.
When you're trying to solve a specific problem, we have core technologies here that we can put together quickly to optimize a solution. We can use anyone's coolers, we can use anyone's detectors. We have our own Dewar technology that brings that together to help you build a system, help you build a world-class system.
All of the U.S. defense contractors we've done business for, many system integrators and instrument manufacturers use our products as well. It can be used in search and rescue applications. Help researchers find gas leaks.
To be able to help vineyards and farmers to be more productive with their crops, as well as our products are starting to sense global warming.
We've developed an expertise to design, position, and embed custom filters within our Dewar system. And because they're located in the cold space, this has enabled engineers to get more performance out of their cameras.
I had a customer tell me that after they had received the hardware and were working with it, that they collectively were saying it was the most beautiful hardware they have ever seen. It's just a feeling you just can't capture when a customer is that excited about the equipment.
We wrote a mission statement for IRFPA that we would set new boundaries and new standards for the performance of cooled cameras. And to this day, we have not had any reason to change that mission statement. Our cameras do amazing things. Take a look at what we could do. Think out of the box, and then let us know what you need us to do, and we'll do it.